little frame of yours ever gonna hit a growth spurt?
That's it. Hate to think I was trying to show some restraint. Very well then. Now I am going to blow your resolve to smithereens! It was that mountain, right? Kazuma, when you're finished eating your meal, would you like to join me for a date?
Oh, no.
Explosion!
How did I know it'd be something like this?
Explosion!
What's that? The Devil King Army?
You know the capital's already getting a lot of complaints about you, right?
My name has begun to resound, is that it?
Maybe I should have just had you learn advanced magic after all.
I don't appreciate that, Kazuma. Not one little bit!
I was getting sick and tired of hearing it, but then you...
Explosion! My name is Megumin, the foremost wizard in the town of Axel, and she who commands explosion magic! It would appear that you are the ones who have been reduced to ash.
In the days that followed, the rain still didn't let up. But that didn't stop Darkness and Megumin. They just kept on paying visits to the Hydra. All right, wizards, time to do your thing!
A looming tide of sorrows, an overflowing swell of screams coiling into one another, forming the howling vortex that marks our victory! Let the signal of oblivion now descend upon you! This is my offering to the deceased. May he rest in eternal peace! Vengeance for Kazuma!
Hey, I'm still alive!
Explosion!
Ah, you finally made it, I see!
Oh, crap! We've got to get going!
Kazuma! I can't hold on much longer! Can I release this thing already? I really need to let it go, please! No, wait, not here, Megumin! I can't hold it!
Hey, you bet you can! Because I know you have it in you! Just hang in there, all right? Don't tense up too much! You've got this! And whatever you do, don't give up!
Here it comes! Everybody get away from me!
Run for it!
This is our chance to... Wow.
Are you actually hiding behind the one person you came here to try and rescue?
Yeah, how awful.